and thank you for joining me for today's Anime Club craft. This week we're going to be making these easy origami sunglasses. Now the thing that I like about this craft is that unlike the other crafts that we usually do, instead of a square piece of paper, you can just use one piece of letter size paper. I'm using blue for this one. But you can use any color that you would like, including classic white. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to line up the opposite ends like this. Tip. And try to get that nice and straight, and then crease. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to fold this entire thing in half. Again, taking care to try to line up the edges and giving it a nice crease. Alright. Then what we're going to do is we're going to crease our paper along the folds that we made when we folded the paper in half. You're going to have to invert one of the folds, or valley into a mountain. Fold it flat across. The next step is to take the top here and fold it to the bottom like so that the top middle meets the bottom. And then our paper should look like this. And then we're going to fold that fold in half again. Give it a nice crease. And then we're going to fold it in half for a third time. Okay. Our structure is mostly finished now. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in the edges right here where the pyramid, the bottom of the pyramid kind of meets the edge right here for the lenses of our glasses to make the arms. Again, I'm folding right here, straight up and down from that point. All right. And there are arms made, and the last step is to fold the bottom of our lenses in. And ta-da! Easy origami sunglasses. Super fun and super easy. You can make these in different colors, like so. And you could even use legal size paper instead of letter. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again next week for our anime discussion. Thank you. Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby app in order to check out our electronic materials, including ebooks and e-audiobooks. Also, please follow us on social media in order to keep updated on new content from the North Channel Branch Library and Harris County Public Library systems. Thank you for watching.